Hello and welcome to our new video of learning. The Tata Group is one of India's largest conglomerates, with a history spanning more than 150 years. Founded in 1868 by Jamsetji Tata, the company has grown into a global enterprise with operations in over 100 countries. In this video, we will take a closer look at the Tata Group's history, values, and impacts. Jamsetji Tata was a visionary entrepreneur who believed in the power of business to drive social change. He founded the Tata Group with a mission to make India self-sufficient and to promote education, healthcare, and other public goods. Today, the Tata Group is comprised of over 100 companies in industries ranging from steel and automotive to hospitality and telecommunications. Some of its most well-known brands include Tata Motors, Tata Steel, and Taj Hotels. At the Tata Group, we believe in putting people first. Our mission is to create value not just for our shareholders, but for all our stakeholders, including our employees, customers, and communities. The Tata Group is known for its commitment to social responsibility and sustainability. In 2019, the company was ranked as the top Indian brand in the Dow Jones Sustainability Index. Social activist, the Tata Group has a long history of philanthropy and social responsibility. From building hospitals and schools to supporting environmental causes, the company has always been at the forefront of social change. The Tata Group has launched several initiatives to support education, healthcare, and social welfare. Some of its most notable programs include the Tata Trusts, which support health, education, and rural livelihoods, and the Tata Medical Center, which provides state-of-the-art cancer care. The Tata Group's legacy of innovation and social responsibility has made it a symbol of India's progress and development. As the company continues to expand and evolve, it remains committed to its founding values of excellence, integrity, and social impact. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on business and entrepreneurship.